Well guys, Albert and Newfie here, getting ready for supper here on the campsite, preparing supper. And this is what you call homemade fries. You slice up your potato, put your cooking oil in your frying pan, you just put your fries in there and wait until they get a little bit dark. And this is what you call, for some people that don't know, homemade fries. It almost looks like potato wedges because it was a couple of big potatoes. Yeah, so I will show you the finished product when it's done. And I'll go over here. So on the menu is homemade fries and burgers. My sweetheart got the burgers on the grill over the fire on the fire pit. Yeah. So it's going to be a good supper. Homemade fries with burgers. And down here is our doggy White. Hello, Pugger. His name is Pugsy. Okay. Over and out for now. I'll chat with you later.